In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the WooCommerce My Account menu in a WordPress website using the MyListing theme. We'll go through the full process of finding the account menu settings, reviewing the existing menu items, removing anything you don't want customers to see, renaming labels, changing the order, and even adding custom links if needed. Then, we'll save everything and verify the changes from the customer side so you can be confident the menu looks exactly the way you want. To begin, open your WordPress website and make sure you're working on a site that uses the MyListing theme. Once you're inside the admin area, navigate to the section where the WooCommerce account menu configuration is managed. In MyListing, this is where you control what appears in the customer's My Account area, so it's the right place to make these adjustments. Take a moment to review the existing My Account menu items. This is important because it gives you a clear picture of what customers currently see when they access their account dashboard. Depending on your setup, you may notice standard WooCommerce items along with theme-specific options added by MyListing. Next, remove any items you do not want customers to see. This is useful if there are links that are irrelevant to your store, could create confusion, or simply don't match the type of experience you want to provide. Keeping the account area clean and focused can make navigation much easier for users. After that, rename any menu items that need clearer wording. Sometimes the default labels are functional, but not necessarily the most user-friendly. Adjusting the text can help align the menu with your brand voice and make each option easier to understand at a glance. Now rearrange the menu items into your preferred order. Think about how customers are most likely to use their account area and place the most important links where they're easiest to find. A logical order can improve usability without requiring any major design changes. If needed, add custom account links. This can be helpful when you want to direct users to a specific page, resource, or account-related feature that isn't included by default. Just make sure the link fits naturally within the overall account experience. Once you've finished customizing the menu, save the changes. Don't skip this step or your updates won't appear on the live account page. Finally, sign in as a customer and check the updated My Account menu. This last review helps you confirm that the labels, order, and visibility all work as expected from the front end. If anything looks off, you can go back, make small adjustments, and save again until everything feels polished and easy to use.